Guys, in this video we are going to discuss very important feature of Microsoft Windows, that is Windows Defender and Microsoft Security Essential. Sometimes we don't know that Windows had inbuilt antivirus and security essential features as well. So in this video we will discuss about the viruses, threats, malware and spywares and discuss how we can defend our PC from those viruses. So first let's see what is a virus. A virus or a computer virus is a software or a program that is loaded in your computer without your knowledge, and it performs malicious and dangerous actions. It's an script. Virus is actually a script or a computer program written in some language which is designed in such a way that it get installed or loaded in your system without your knowledge, and it does some dangerous actions like it can delete or encrypt your files, it can crash your system, it can crash your program, it can slow down your system, it can slow down your system restart. If your system is taking too much time for restart, it means that there is a problem. It can steal your data, it can steal your data and send to some server, or it can send to some person. And there are many more actions that can a virus can do. A virus can create multiple folders, a virus can fill up your disk space, a virus can create .exe files in your folders. There are many actions that a virus can do. Every virus is designed in a different manner to perform some different actions. So this is the definition of a virus. There are some spywares. Spywares are again a computer program that steals data from your system and they send them to some server or to some another person. So in this tutorial we will discuss how to defend our PC, our Windows PC from these viruses. Now what we have to do. Now in Windows 10 there are some inbuilt features like Windows 10 has an inbuilt antivirus that is called Windows Defender. Windows also has inbuilt firewall. A firewall is a program that prevents another person that is sitting on some another location to enter in our system. As you know about the hackers, what hackers do, they remotely enter in your system and steals your data or something else they can do. Now system also has an auto scanner feature, and we will discuss how we can use task manager of Windows 10 to check for suspicious process and programs. So let's discuss first the inbuilt antivirus, that is Windows Defender. Okay, so we are discussing about Windows Defender. Just go on the search and type Defender. Now you can see here Windows Defender Security Center. You can see it. Click it. Now you can see there are various options are there. First is virus and threat protection. Then we have account protection. Then we have firewall and network protection. And then we have device security, device performance and health. So first we will discuss about virus and threat protection. Okay, click it. Now here we can see that the last scan was executed today. Today is 30 June 2019, and a quick scan was executed, and there was no threat found. So this is the Windows Defender. You can see this is the Windows Defender. Windows has inbuilt antivirus that is called Windows Defender. Now I will scan here from now it is scanning, and this is a quick scan. We have Windows Defender offers some other scans as well. It has the options to for full scan. It has the option for custom scan as well. Now let it get scanned first. Since I am showing you how to defend your system from viruses and other threats, so I'm showing you by doing here. So just wait for some time till it scans the Windows Defender scans my system quickly. Okay, it will take some 1 minute more, and I will wait. Then we can see there are some more options: virus and threat protection settings, and virus and threat protection updates. You can see the last update was today at 6 p.m. 13th June 2019. So you must update your virus, your antivirus means Windows Defender from time to time. It must be updated to the latest, and it is very important because we know that day by day new viruses comes, and as the new viruses comes, every antivirus software companies are, I mean, even Windows Defender or McAfee or any other antivirus companies uh, learn about their viruses, analyze them, and then make their softwares or program, and then they give updates. So you must update your antivirus. If you are using some other antivirus in your PC, then again you must update those antiviruses time to time, and those antiviruses must be updated to the latest version. So this helps to detect the new viruses as well. Okay, it is taking some time. Okay, so should I wait or move ahead, or it is taking some more time? So I am going to cancel it because it is just wasting our time, and since I am showing you video, I am not going to make you wait for more time. Okay, I'm canceling. Now and there is an option for advanced scan. You can see run a new advanced scan. We can click it. Now you can see there are three options: full scan, custom scan, and Windows Defender offline scan. So now in full scan, Windows Defender will check all the files and folders in your hard disk, and if it finds any threads, it will remove that particular thread or virus script or any program that can harm your computer. Then we have the option for custom scan. If we click it, it will ask me to select the file or folder or any drive, anything that I want to scan. So this is the you can, it gives us option to choose which files or folders you want to scan. Now then we have again Windows Defender offline scan. Now there are very malicious software that can be particularly difficult to remove from a device. So Windows Defender online help you to do that. Wait for a few minutes. So this is how we can scan our system by using Windows Defender. Now there are some other options as well. You can see firewall and network protection. A firewall is a software that prevents any other person that is sitting on some different location to enter in your system. If you have a good firewall, a particular hacker or a particular person will not be able to enter in your system, and he cannot steal any files from your system. So these are the inbuilt features in Windows Defender and firewall. Now you can see domain network firewall is on, and for the private network firewall is on. This setting must be active and on. This is now. Now we discussed about the Windows Defender and we discussed about the inbuilt firewall. We have the auto scanner. Now we will discuss about this, how we can set our Windows Defender to auto scan it. Okay, go again to the Windows Defender. You go in virus and threat protection. You can have virus and threat protection settings. Just go it. You can see real-time protection. All now, what is that its location is stop any virus or malware from installing and running into your device. You must turn it on, and it will turn it automatically on. Okay, next we will see how to use our task manager to check for suspicious processes and programs. Now in the task manager, we can check for any if any suspicious activity is going on. Now how to check it? Open the task manager. We can open the task manager from here. Now you can see there are tabs: CPU, memory, disk, and network. CPU tells the CPU tab tells how much processor is being utilized, and memory tab tells how much RAM is being utilized, and disk tells how much is the disk usage, input and output. You can see in and out, A network diagnostic, network statistics, how much is the network usage. Now if you can see, first we will talk about the CPU usage. Now you can see the CPU usage is 12%, 11%. It is very very less. If it is more than 90% or 95% continuously, then there is some problem, and it means there is some program, there is some hidden program that is working continuously in the background. And it could be a virus, it could be some malicious software, or it could be some malicious script. Now you can again see on the same thing is also applied on other things like memory, disk, and network. If you see anything like memory, disk, or network utilization is more than 90% or 95%, either it is disk or memory, and if it is continuously utilizing more than 90%, it means there is some problem. This means that the script or virus script or any malicious program is taking too much memory and keeping your system busy. Because a virus, what a virus do, it keeps your system busy. Either it will do works with some memory with your disk, or it may send some data, or it may download some data or malicious software again using network. So if your network usage is high, means some script is doing some malicious thing, some dangerous thing. It is either uploading some data or downloading some data, and same things applies for disk and memory. So this is how we can use an analyze task manager to see any suspicious or dangerous activity. If you see anything like that, then check which particular program is using too much memory. Suppose I'm clicking on the memory. Now I can see Firefox is using most of the memory. It is using 461 MB, then Google Chrome, then Skype. So Firefox, Google Chrome, Skype, these are the good software. These are the known software as we know them. But if you see any other software about which you don't know, then you must search about those particular process or software. In the next 1 minute, I will show it how. Now, these are the inbuilt feature of Windows about which I told. Now, what you can do if you think that there is some problem in your system. Now, what you should do to keep viruses away, to keep any malicious software away from your computer, you should keep your Windows and Windows Defender updated. Now, scan your PC regularly, always check for any doubtful program or software, and download software from official or trusted websites only, and do not click on any pop-up or suspicious link, and do C browsing. I will discuss it one by one. The first one is how to keep our Windows Defender updated. How to update the Windows? Just go to the control panel. Okay, you can see the control panel. Open it. Now you can see here update. Okay. Okay, there is one more shortcut. Just type here update. Now you can say check for updates or Windows update settings. Here you can click on Windows update settings. Now you can see you are up to date. I checked for any update at 6 p.m. Now I will again check for any updates. If there is any update available from Windows, from Microsoft, it will show it here. So by using this feature, we must update our system time to time. Now you can see that there is update available for Windows Defender antivirus, and it is installing the updates. Now you can see updates has been downloaded and it is being installed. So this is the way how we should regularly check and update Windows, and you must update your Windows latest version. Second, scan your PC regularly. As I told you, we should use Windows Defender or any antivirus software to scan your PC regularly so that they can detect the problems early and resolve it. Now, third is always check for any doubtful program or software. Now, how to do this? How we can check that this particular program is not good, this particular program is good? Okay, I will tell you. For this, again, go to the task manager. You can see Here, go to the task manager. Now see which particular memory process is using too much CPU or too much memory. Now I am clicking here. Now you can see the programs are in increasing order of CPU usage. Firefox is using a screen recorder, Windows audio graphics system, Firefox. These are the software that are using too much memory. So they are, and we know that these are good software. These are known software. We are familiar with them. So there is no problem with this. Now where I am coming to CPU and go down. Suppose I don't know about some software like okay, these are starting with Windows, so they are Windows processes. And suppose I okay. Now there is a process com surrogate. I don't know about this particular process. I don't know what it does. So what I will do, how I will check whether it is good process, a good software or not. I will right click here and search and click on the search line. You can see the option search online. Click it. Now it will open in a default browser in Bing search. Wait for a minute while it is getting open. It will automatically search for particular process in your default browser in Bing. Okay, it is opened now. Okay, now you can check dllhost.exe com.surrogate. The process name is dllhost.exe com surrogate is the process name. Now what is does that? Let us check whether it is good or not and what it is actually. Okay, now you can see here COM stands for Component Object Model. This is an interface Microsoft introduced back in 1993 that allows developers to create .com objects. Okay, we will check some other websites as well. Now you can see dllhost.exe is a required component of COM based application. And you can see on the Microsoft blog as well, the DLL host DXC process goes by the name COM surrogate, and the only time you are likely even to existence when it crashes and you get the message comes. Okay, so you can see that it is mentioned on Microsoft website as well some other websites, and there is no any negative thing written on internet. It means that this is a good process. Now we will search it for in Google as well. This is search in Bing. Now we will search in Google. Okay, okay, and data searches. Now you can see, and you can these processes have the file name this and at the part of Windows. You can see. Okay, again you can see that on Microsoft blog it is written. Now you can read about these things here. So this is the way how to check for a particular process or a software that is running in your system. You can see it in Task Manager and you can search it online. All you have to do is just right click and click on search online. In this way you can search about a particular process. If you get some negative thing, if you get some negative story about that particular process, just remove it from your system. Now check okay, fourth is download software from official or trusted websites only. We must not download any software from any doubtful or untrusted websites. Now if you want to download any software, you must go to the official website. For example, suppose I want to download internet download manager. So what I will write it, download internet download manager and search it in Google. Now you can see the first link this is the official link of Internet Download Manager. I will go to the official site of Internet Download Manager and download it. I want to discuss one more thing here. As you can see, there is HTTPS. The link is starting with HTTPS. HTTPS means HTTP secure. It is a secure protocol. If you find a website is starting with HTTPS, that means it is a safe website. Now, if we want to download 7-zip software, suppose I want to download 7-zip, then I will go to the official website. This, you can see, this is the official website 7zip.org. I will go here and then download 7-zip from here. This is the way how to download a particular software from their official website. Do not download any software from untrusted website, because if you do that, there is a chance that you may download some virus or some malware in your system. Fifth is, we have, do not click on any pop-up or suspicious link. If you are using a system and you see any pop-up any particular price, you may see a pop-up that you have won some lottery, you have won some offer, something like that. Then this is a message. In this world, nothing is free. If you see something like that, any offer, any free things, any lottery winning something, do not click that particular link. And last one, we have safe browsing. Now, how to do the safe browsing? Okay, first of all, we must know about the website security. Now, I have opened a website, iccbank.com. This is the official site of iccbank.com. I can see here two things. One is HTTPS. I have already discussed that it is HTTPS secure. If you see that the S is included in HTTP, it means it is a secure website. Second thing, we have to see for this lock. You can see there is a lock here. It means that this is a secure website. In the Google also you can see this lock, and the website is starting with HTTPS. And do not open any untrusted website, do not open any pop-up, and do not open any doubtful links. Do not click on any suspicious or doubtful link. These are the way by which you can be safe and you can keep your system safe. So I discussed about the ways how to keep your system safe and safe browsing tips. Now, if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions regarding the video, then you can write those suggestions or questions in the comment section. I will reply them as soon as possible, and I will help you. You can also email me at chatapps@gmail.com. I will be happy to reply you. So I hope you like the video. Please like the video, comment it, and share it. Thank you, guys. So guys, please do not forget to like, comment, and share the video. Thank you.